So we have Ahana, Anahita, Nova. Who is Harsha?
I don't know.
That was not a question for you either. Okay. Oh, that is Shyanvi. Then Mandeep. That's why I'm saying keep your videos on, otherwise I'll keep on saying some wrong names and you guys will get confused. We have Mandeep, we have Riyans with glasses, we have Sanvi with glasses, we have Samanvita, we have Bhuvi, we have Lakshmi, and Sanvi without glasses, and Ved. See, I'm learning some techniques to make sure that I don't mess up with your name. We have Mishika also. Alright? So in the class, and in the classroom here we have Rudraj, Nehit, Nikhil and Anika. And everybody, guys, find out all the reasons for not playing. Okay? Take your notebook out and a pen out. Because there is no math without pen and paper. If anybody thinks that I'm doing any preaching here, like the Babas do, yeah, talk about God, talk about great stuff, this is not the place. So make sure that we are only going to do math, and math needs a pen and paper. So keep your pen and paper ready with you, okay? I'm not here for any preaching, we are only doing math. So we'll continue from where we had left yesterday. So yesterday some of you had not told tables. And those are, raise your hands who had not shared tables yesterday. Okay, Anika. Okay. Nihit, you had not shared tables yesterday? You had shared tables yesterday? No, you had. Okay. We have, okay, I see all the hands. I see Aditi. Yeah. Okay, let's go one by one. Ahana, ready? Table till. 5 9 ja.
5 9 45.
6 8 ja.
6 8 48.
3 9 ja.
3 9 27.
8 6 ja.
8 6 48.
7 9 ja.
7 9 63.
Okay, very nice. Let's go to Samanvita. Samanvita, ready?
Yeah.
Table till
12.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja.
63.
12 9 ja.
108.
11 7 ja.
77.
6 9 ja.
54.
7 8 ja.
56.
Wonderful, very nice. Let's go to Sami without glasses. Sami, you're okay, beta, right? If I call you Sami without glasses, because there are 2 Samis in the class, that's why I say Sami with glasses, without glasses. Okay, don't feel bad about it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
Okay. All right. So Sami, table till
12.
8 8 ja.
64.
7 6 ja.
42.
9 7 ja.
63.
12 8 ja.
94.
96.
Okay.
Yeah. 11 9 ja.
99.
7 7 ja.
49.
Good job. All right, very nice. Keep practicing tables though. Okay, let's go to Shyanvi. Shyanvi, what happened to the video? Otherwise, I'll call you Harsha. That is probably mommy's name. Okay, yeah. Table till 12 5 ja.
60.
6 8 ja. Rudraj, can you take the band out and put that wrapper somewhere? Put the wrapper somewhere so that it doesn't keep making the crackling sound. Keep it on the table. Okay. 9 6 ja.
54.
12 4 ja.
12 fours. 12 fours are 48.
12 8 ja.
12 eights are 96.
Good job. Let's go to Mandeep. Mandeep, unmute yourself and turn your video on.
My room is kind of messy. Like.
It's okay. Okay, it's okay. Let's talk about tables. Table till
12.
5 9 ja. 12 7 ja.
84,
11 8 ja.
88,
7 6 ja.
66,
7 8 ja. 56.
56,
56. 12 9 ja.
108,
Good job. But keep practicing. Rians.
yeah,
Table till
12.
12 9 ja.
12 times 9 is 108.
8 8 ja.
8 times 8 is 64.
7 6 ja.
7 times 6 is 42.
8 9 ja.
8 times 9 is 81.
72. 12 5 ja.
12 times 5 is 60.
Okay, good job. So one thing you can do, Rehans, is when I'm asking anything, let's say 12 5 ja, you will repeat 12 5 ja 60. You can do that in your mind and tell me 60 quickly. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just trying to get to the answer as quick as possible, so that while doing math also it will be fun. Let's go to Aditi. Aditi, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
12.
12 9 ja.
108.
8 9 ja.
72.
9 9 ja.
9 9. 81.
2 9 ja.
18.
12 6 ja.
32.
Very nice. So I was, see, this is what I do on purpose. I try misguiding you guys, misleading you to make mistake. And whoever has practiced the tables, they will not make mistakes. Okay? Alright, good job everybody. Now anybody in the class who has not shared the tables today or who had not shared the tables yesterday? Who was, oh, Mishika. Okay, Mishika, table till
20.
20. Oh my god, already 20. 19 5 yeah.
95 to 95.
95. 18 4 ja.
18 4 to
72. 17 6 ja.
17 6 to 102.
How much you said?
102.
112, yeah. 12 9 ja.
12 9 to 108.
13 7 ja.
13 7 to 91.
Good job. So, okay, Mishika will help me retire faster. Don't go beyond 20. Okay? Okay, so table till 20 is enough. We don't have to go beyond 20, but make sure that till 20 you are solid and rock solid. That should be our goal. Okay? All right. Anika, ready? Table till glass goes little bit further. Okay, 5, 4 5 ja. 20, 5 6 ja. Why are you laughing? Let her. 30. 3 6 ja. 3 6 ja. You know it. You're just being lazy. Give it a try. Okay. Yeah, so it has to come with practice, okay? Make sure that you practice. I heard it. That's okay. He did not do anything wrong. He's just helping you recall. So practice, practice, practice. Okay? Alright, let's go to Nehit. Nehit, table till 8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja. Okay, I'll come to you, Sohita. 9 7 ja.
63.
7 8 ja.
76.
What did I ask? 7 8 ja. 7 8 ja is how much?
56.
56. 4 9 is 4 9 is how much? Tell me. No, it's okay. How much?
36.
36. 5 8 is 5 8 is
40.
40. Good job. So you're doing pretty good with tables. Just keep practicing a little bit more. So Sohita, table till
12.
12 5 is
60.
11 6 is
66.
9 8 is
72.
2 9 is
18.
8 8 is
64.
Good job. So you're doing pretty good. Yep, Anahita, go ahead. Okay, so there are kids in the class who have a lot of talent, very different from me. See, somebody has drawn my picture with a tail also. Okay? Somebody has drawn my picture with a tail.
It was
I'm still trying my best to grow my tail.
won't. I did not.
Okay. Alright. So, but jokes apart, I request you guys, Virat, you can sit in the front. We have place here. So, while I know you guys like a lot of art and craft and you have a lot of skills, and I appreciate that, okay, because I never had that. I'm very poor when it comes to drawing. That's where I struggle when I have to draw something on the board also. If I had little better drawing skills, I would do better job. But then, my only request to you all would be, make sure that when you're in the class, focus on only one thing, that is math. Remaining 23 hours you have for what you like. And I'm not saying that you don't have to like, you don't like math. What I'm saying is, make sure that your energy is on math for 1 hour so that when we spend 1 hour, we make best use of the time. Okay? Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Anybody? Yep. Somebody
I'm
says.
Samara, and it's my first time.
Yes, brother. What's your name? One more time.
Ask me these questions as you did.
Sorry, brother. What's your name? One more time.
Sonara.
Sinara. How do you spell it?
Senara.
Sinara. Okay. Wonderful. Because why I'm asking your name, beta, because spelling, because I'm very poor at pronouncing names. Okay, I mess up with the names every time, and it takes me a couple of classes to know the name of the kid or say it right. Okay, so that's why I'm asking it. Okay. Now, Sinara, this is your first class, so couple of things that you need to be aware of. In this class, I don't want you guys to be busy taking notes. Okay, whatever I'm teaching, you don't have to take notes. Okay, you can focus on following the concept, understanding what I'm trying to teach or explain. Okay. And everything I'm doing, me and the board is getting recorded right now, and I create a video out of it, and I put it for you guys to watch. Okay, so you can always watch the video of the class later to see what we covered. If you miss something, how do you revise, kind of thing. Don't spend a lot of money, a lot of time and energy taking notes. Okay, so that you can focus on following the concepts. Okay, so in this class, I want all the kids to know tables. And everybody is learning tables. So that is something that you can do outside the class, and every Saturday and Sunday we spend 2 minutes to check the tables. Like you would have heard some of the kids sharing tables, right? So Sinara, right? Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Sinara, do you know tables?
Yeah.
Table till which number?
12.
Till 12. Let's do a quick check, okay? And trust me, this class is meant for making mistakes. So if you make mistakes, no problem, okay? Making mistake has to be fearless act. Don't worry about it. Let's see. 8 5 jar.
40.
12 8 jar.
96.
11 9 jar.
99.
7 8 jar.
56.
Rudraj, no sound.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, sir.
See, somebody is drawing a tail for me, somebody is calling me ma'am. But anyways, pay attention. Don't do anything.
I mean, I'm so used to saying that.
It's okay. Don't don't drag the unnecessary discussions, okay? I'm just trying to get everybody's attention. Alright, Sinara. So, 9 8 ja.
72.
12 4 ja.
48.
Good job. So this was your first class and you have made me very happy. Because you already know table till 12. Many of us, we started from table of 2. Many of the kids have gone all the way till 12. Some of you have gone till 14. Some of the kids, not some of the kids, so far it's only Mishika who has gone till 20 also. And we're not going to go beyond 20, okay? But doing tables requires us to spend 5 minutes every day, 5 minutes of our unproductive time to practice tables, and that helps us do math in a more fun way, okay? Alright, so now all the blabbering is over, table checking is done. Now we are going to start the class. So Sinara, right now we are doing something called algebraic thinking, okay? So you might find it new to you. You might have dealt with it before, you may not have dealt with it before, but don't worry about it. We'll try making things as simple as possible. Yes, Kian? You're saying something?
What?
Are you saying something?
No, sir.
Okay. Alright. So we are dealing with algebraic thinking. While it sounds little loaded concept, but it is not. Rudraj, that is not your friend. Keep it away from you.
Fractions is your best friend.
No, that was, see, he was playing with the wrapper of the wristband. I was saying that is not your friend. Keep it away from you. Okay, coming back. So we are doing algebraic thinking. What we'll do is, there's no concept that I can teach you guys. It is all about how do you deal with word problems, how do you solve word problems, putting your algebraic thinking brain. So let's look at some problems and then we will try solving them together using easy and interesting concepts. Okay? Alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me flash some problem for you guys on the screen. I'm going to, so Sinara and I think Virat also, probably you guys would not remember, there's something called RAN. This is a concept that we all use. This is called read, analyze and then Nike. Now, if you look at RAN, who wins the medal in the race? Who ran the best? So here, this is the RAN concept that we are using, which says read, analyze, and then Nike. What does Nike say? Nike's slogan is just do it. So what I suggest you guys is, when you have a problem to solve, read it once, read it twice, till you are sure about what you are trying to solve. Then start thinking about it. Okay, this is the problem. These are the things I know. This is the formula I'm going to apply, and this is how I will do it. Once you have made your mind, when you have made your plan, then go to Nike, just do it. In short, what I'm saying is, if you have a problem to solve, don't jump onto solving it. Read it, think about it, and then you try doing it. Okay? That will be our approach. That's why I keep emphasizing on RAN, because this has to be part of life. Every problem that we solve, we have to apply the same approach. Read, think about it, and then try doing it. You will minimize your chances of making mistakes. Yep. Now let's look at first problem and we'll apply RAN. The question is, find the difference between the square of 4 and the square of 2. You don't have to memorize anything. Here, see. Now again, I'm going back to the same problem. I'm saying read, and read. Read till you get tired. What was the question saying? Find out the difference between the square of 4 and the square of 2. I'm reading the question one more time. Find the difference between square of 4 and square of 2. What is square of 4? Yaditi.
4 square is 16.
I'm sorry?
4 square is 16.
Okay, yep. Yes. Sinara, tell me better.
Like this. The 2 square or the 4 square?
Both. Any square.
Okay, the 4 square is 16 and the 2 square is 4.
Rudraksh, did you hear what your friend said? There was nothing to remember. See, as soon as I started talking about the questions, I forgot. There is no excuse to forget anything. You are not listening. That's what you have to focus on, okay? We don't forget things. Yeah, Nahita.
4 square is 16 and then the 2 square is 4.
4. Mishika, same answer, beta?
Yeah, and the 2 square is, wait.
Yeah. Okay, so now, Lakshmi, go ahead.
I got the same.
Same answer. Right, yeah.
How are you getting 4 square?
Okay, so everybody here. Like everybody said, 4 square is 16. I don't know what is 4 square. That's a very sad state. Your teacher doesn't know. 4 square, wait, don't go any far. 4 square is nothing but 4 into 4. Whether that is 16 or 15 or 14, I don't mind. 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2. If tomorrow I say 3 cube, 3 cube is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. If I say 7 to the power 4, what I am saying is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So this is called square, this is called cube, this is called power 4. This is what you need to be aware of. Okay? If I say I have 9 square, okay, 9 square is nothing but 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is 81, like you guys know. Yeah? So now going back to the question was find out the difference between 4 square and 2 square. Now who has the answer?
I just remembered that you just multiply. I got the same answer.
What same answer? Now see again, you're not listening to me. Let me repeat the question. Find out the difference between 4 square and 2 square.
I got 16 and 4. I mean the square.
That is not the answer yet. Find out the difference between 4 square and 2 square. Yep. Without. Is it making sense? Try it. See. Okay, I'll come back to you. Yes, Mishika. Go ahead.
So the numbers on top of
No.
There's a thing with exponents.
These are called exponents. But I'm not teaching you guys exponents right now. This is something that you will learn when you grow a little older. Okay. Let me not overload you guys with a lot of things. But the question here was, find out the difference between 4 square and 2 square. How much is that? Yes, Nara.
The difference between that is 12.
Okay. How about Sanvi? Sanvi with glasses.
4 2 is 16, and then the 2 of the 2 is
It's called square, beta, okay? When you have power 2, you can call it square. Yeah. Yeah.
I
Okay. Yeah, Aditi, how much is the answer?
4 square minus 2 square equals 12.
Very nice.
That 4 square equals 16, and 2 square equals 4, and 16 minus 4 is 12. So the answer
Wonderful.
is 12.
Lakshmi, what is your answer, beta?
I think it equals
12. How about Riyan? Same answer?
12. Yeah.
Yes.
Same. Rudraksh, same answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Same answer? What is same? How much is same? 12. Okay. How about you? Hey, your eraser will go in your stomach and then start erasing your organs. Erase your food pipe.
It will erase your stomach.
Okay.
Stomach for like 1 or 2 years.
Okay. Alright, so everybody got the answer. I will not let everybody give the same answer. Let's look at the next problem, and whoever has answered this time, I'll probably give them second priority. Guys, sit down properly. Okay, so let's look at the next problem. There are a lot of problems. Let's not waste our entire energy or consume our entire energy for solving one problem. Multiply the product of 6 and 4 by quotient of 14 and 7.
I know.
Don't rush for responding to things.
Can you?
I'll repeat. I'll repeat. Multiply the product of 6 and 4. Multiply the product of 6 and 4 by the quotient of 14 and 7. Did everybody hear the question completely before raising hand?
Yeah, but do you have to first do like multiply 6 by 4 and then multiply 14 by 7 and then multiply both of them?
Yeah, that's what it is. No, so I was saying that a lot of kids have raised their hand. I was just curious to know if everybody heard the question before raising their hand.
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, I'm repeating the question one more time. Multiply the product of 6 and 4 by the quotient of 14 and 7. Yes, Anaita.
I have the answer.
What is that?
48.
48. Okay. How about Ved?
I'm sorry, I first raised my hand. I don't know it.
Okay. Kian?
So my answer is 48.
Okay. Sanvi without glasses?
My answer is 48.
Okay. How about Saira?
I got the same answer, 48.
48. I said Saira. That is not your name, right? Sinara. Sorry, beta. Say it one more time. I'm missing it.
What?
No, I forgot your name.
Sinara.
Sinara. That's what. I said Saira and I was struggling with myself. Okay, Sinara. Okay, Yanahita.
I must have raised my hand on.
Okay. Aditi, how much is the answer?
My answer is 48.
Okay. Let's go to Samanvita.
48.
Mishika.
48.
Lakshmi.
48.
Kian.
Sir, I forgot to put my hand down.
Okay. Nihit.
48.
48. Rudraksh.
I'm doing it.
Okay. Riyans.
48.
Ahana.
48.
Okay. Everybody who has given the answer, please put your hands down so that I would know who has still not shared. Asher.
48.
48. Shivkeswa.
48.
Okay. Everybody who has answered, I think Lakshmi, you answered better, right? Put your hands down. Okay. Everybody who has answered already, put your hands down. Now, who can explain me how did you get 48? Let me read the question once, and whoever has not got the answer yet will revisit that. The question was, multiply the product of 6 and 4 by the quotient of 14 and 7. And you guys gave me 48. I'm still struggling with myself to figure out how did we get 48. So who will explain me how did you get 48? Let's give this chance to Sanvi without glasses. Okay. I'll come to you, Siddhartha. Yep.
So, as you said, 6 times 4 equals 24, and then 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So I did 24 times 2.
Okay.
Of 24 times 2 is 48.
Okay. Siddhartha, what is your explanation, beta?
I did the same strategy what she did.
Okay. So when you say quotient of 14 and 7, Rudraksh here. Stop drawing my picture, okay? I don't look great on Sundays.
I'm doing that too.
Okay. So, what was the question? The question was, so all of you who have answered or who have not answered, put your hands down. We'll have more problems. So, everybody will get a chance. Don't worry about it, okay? Siva, you're saying something? You have raised your hand? Oh, no. I see a chair moving with your hand moving. So, I felt like you have raised your hand. Okay. Okay. So, the question was, multiply the product of 6 and 4 by the quotient of 14 and 7. Okay. So what is the quotient of 14 and 7? Quotient of 14 and 7 would be this. Whatever it is. Be it 2, be it 22, be it 700, I don't mind. Yeah? 2?
2.
Yeah. So it says multiply the product of 6 and 4 by the quotient of this thing, which is this. 6 times 4 is 24, times 2 is 48. So that is how we all got the answer. And again, this problem, these are not big complicated problems. It is all about how you read a word problem and then how do you translate or understand that, so solve it. Okay. Let me flash few more questions and see. Everybody who has raised hand, please put your hands down. Otherwise, without the question, there is no answer. Okay. Now the next question is, find the product of the square of 6 and 9 divided by the difference between 13 and 4. This is a good story. Let me read it for you guys one more time. I'll read it a couple of times. So pay attention. Nihit, Nikhil. My picture? Oh, okay. So don't draw pictures, okay, in the class. Math class is picture you can do after the class. Find the product of the square of 6 and 9. Find the product of the square of 6 and 9 divided by the difference between 13 and 4. Did everybody hear and digest the story I was telling? Yeah, Naita.
Sir, your voice is breaking up a lot. Can I read you the movie?
Yes, please. That's the trick. Yeah, Rians.
I'll be here.
I'm sorry, beta?
I'll be here. I'll be the restroom.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So, I'm repeating the question one last time and then I'll let you guys deal with it. Find the product of the square of 6 and 9 divided by the difference between 13 and 4. Everybody is rushing to the restroom after hearing the question. Is this question creating a lot of pressure for you guys?
Sir, can you repeat that one more time?
Yeah. Find the product of the square of 6 and 9 divided by the difference between 13 and 4. Yes, Kian. Just tell the answer.
I don't have an answer. I have an equation that you could use to solve it.
I don't need that. I need the answer for now.
Okay, well, the answer is 9.
Okay. Lakshmi.
I'm sorry, not 9, 81.
81? Okay, Lakshmi. I mean, I'm not going to trust anybody's answer. I'm anyways going to do it in front of you guys, and you guys can also review your answer. I will also be sure about the answer. Yeah, Lakshmi, tell me what.
I think the answer is 13.
13? Okay. Everybody has heard the question, right? Ahana, Sohita.
Can you
Sohita?
repeat
Okay.
the question one more time?
Okay.
Could you repeat the question one more time?
100%. I will not say no to my kids. I'm reading it one more time. Find the product of the squares of 6 and 9 divided by the difference between 13 and 4. Yep, Rahita.
I think it's 26.
You think it's 26? Never ever say that to me. Don't say that I think it's 26. You can say, I got my answer is 26.
My answer is 26.
And that's what I like.
Sir, my answer is 7.
7. Nihit, Nikhil. Do something. Yeah.
I got my answer as 51.
51. Okay. We'll see. Sinara,
324.
324. Aditi,
Do we multiply a 9 square, 6 square, or subtract?
so I will not tell the answer now. I'm just reading it one last time so that I'll let you guys think, because RAN is successful only when we think. I will force you guys to think, okay? I'll make it a habit. Read, analyze, and then do it. I'm reading the question one more time. It says, find the product of the square of 6 and 9 divided by the difference between 13 and 4. Yes, Noah?
51.
51. How about Sriyanvi?
81.
81. Okay. All the kids who have answered, put your hands down so that I would only chase the kids who have not answered it yet. Yes, Shanvi without glasses.
I haven't answered
My
it.
answer?
How much is that?
My answer is 54.
Okay. Shanvi without glasses.
I think my answer is 81.
81. Okay. And see, I'm not noting down anybody's answer here because I don't want anybody to get biased with others' answers. Okay. Yes, Mishika.
My answer is 81.
81. How about you, Virat? You give your answer already. How about you, Nihit? Again, my featured tail. This time 6 tails.
Sir,
Yep.
I did my answer again. My answer is 54.
54. How about Ahana?
My answer is 81.
Okay.
My answer is 54.
Okay. All right. See, I got so many varieties of answers. That's the reason why I don't trust anybody. No, it's not that I don't trust anybody. Yes, Yugan.
My answer is 54.
54. Okay. Ved. I see somebody hiding from me. Yep.
My
Uh-huh.
answer is 36.
36. Okay. Now, everybody put your hands down. Sani, you're saying something with her? You have raised your hand. Sani without glasses.
Sorry, I didn't realize my name is.
Okay. So everybody hands down. Let me do this problem again. Let me do this problem in the way I would want to do it like a student. This one says find the product of the squares of 6 and 9. Yaditi.
My answer is 364.
Okay. Let's see. Find the product of squares of 6 and 9. So squares of 6 is this. Square of 9 is this. Product of 6 square and product of square of 6 and 9 is this. Divided by the difference between 13 and 4. The difference between 13 and 4 is nothing but 9. So it says find out the product of square of 6 and 9 divided by the difference of 13 and 4. So divide that by difference, which is 9. So what I have here, 6 square into 9 square by 9. Now let's make it simple. What is 6 square? 6 square is nothing but 6 into 6. What is 9 square? That is 9 into 9. And I have a 9 here. Time to play. Tic-tac-toe. This 9 and this 9 gone. What am I left with? 6 into 6 into 9. So 6 into 6 is 36 into 9. Let's do that. 9 6 is 54. 5 carry forward. 9 3 is 27 plus 5. 32. Who got this answer?
You're doing standard algorithm.
I'm sorry?
You're doing standard algorithm, right?
I'm not doing standard algorithm. I'm just doing...
Partial products for high numbers.
I'm sorry?
I use partial products for high numbers like 568 times 9, like that.
No. See, you guys are making simple things complicated. Okay. Yes, Sinara.
I got the same answer what you did.
Okay, that's good. So basically, see, as some of you already know, Nova, Sinara, Nihit, Yugan, Shanvi, Sriyanvi, Yaditi. All right. So basically, see, as some of you already know, Nova, Sinara, Nova, Sinara, Yaditi. All right. So basically, see, as some of you already know, Nova, Sinara, Nova, Sinara, Yaditi. All right. So basically, see, as some of you already know, Nova, Sinara, Okay, no one's not. They are relatively new in the class, so they don't know about it. There's a problem with your teacher. Your teacher is not intelligent. Your teacher does things in a very simple way. Okay, so I will not talk about big, complex, cryptic things. I don't talk about AI. I don't talk about algorithm or anything fancy in nature. I talk about simple things. What was the question saying? Question was saying, find out the product of square of 6 and 9. Okay, what is square of 6? This. Okay. What is square of 9? This. Okay, product of this, meaning this multiplied by this. Okay. Divided by the difference between 13 and 4. What is 13? 13 is 13. What is the difference between 13 and 4? 9. So, the question, if I read it one more time, says, find out the product of square of 6 and 9 square divided by 9. So I did square of 6, square of 9 divided by 9. Now I have square of 6. What does it mean? 6 square is nothing but 6 into 6. What is 9 square? That is 9 into 9 and divided by 9. I just made it simple and then I am playing with this. What I did? This 1 9 and 1 9 I did tic-tac-toe and then I am left with 6 into 6 into 9. Done deal. Yeah, Naita.
Is the answer 324?
Yep.
I just did the whole problem again because instead of 6 square, I did 6 times 2.
No, that's where everybody is requested to hear the question or read the question a couple of times. It's very normal, okay? When you read the question in one glance, you might overlook something. That's where this RAM, the most annoying part of my teaching is RAM. I said read till you get tired. Because when you get tired, that means by then you would have read it enough to make sure that each and every information in the question you are capturing. Yeah? And again, I don't really care about the answers. That's what I say, okay? So Sinara is learning a lot of bad things about her teacher. That her teacher is not intelligent. He doesn't care about the answers. I'm not caring about these things because I want to keep math simple and I want to make sure that we're not biased by answer, okay? What happens is kids will rush to get the answer. I say no, stop. Go slow. Make sure, see, there's a traffic signal. Make sure you follow the concept and you have a very clearly defined approach that you follow for solving problems. And if you are clear about the approach, you can solve hundreds of problems, trust me. It's not about just getting answer for one problem, okay? Was that a good speech? Let's move on to the next problem. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Is anybody falling asleep because of my speech?
No.
Can you move a little bit this side? Who is falling asleep? I said, is anybody falling asleep? I heard a yes, sir. I said, okay, who is that? Nova? Who is falling asleep? Yugan? Nova is falling asleep? No. I am not singing a bedtime song any which way. Stay awake. I keep on cracking dad jokes in between, which will keep you awake. Okay, let's look at the next problem. Rewrite this equation as a word. Okay, so far we had some story given, we were converting that into a mathematical formula and then we were solving it. Now I'm giving the equation, I want to see how you are creating a story out of it. Okay, let me write some equation here and I want you guys to create a story out of it. Or let me do one of it first and then you guys can follow the following problem. This one is 8 plus 6 divided by 9 minus 2. So if I have to write this as a story, this expression that I have, if I have to create a story out of it, what will be the story? Divide the sum of 8 and 6 by the difference of 9 and 2. Divide the sum of 8 and 6 by the difference of 9 and 2. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Yeah, wait. Did it make sense?
Yes, sir. My answer is still.
No, so you have to solve it. Okay, I'm not wanting you to solve it. I will give you expression and you have to create a story out of it. You don't have to solve it, okay? Don't solve. Now I want to hear your story, okay? This is the problem. 18 divided by 2 plus 4 minus 2. Okay. Now let's see who can tell me the story out of it. Like for this one I said, divide the sum of 8 plus 6 by the difference of 9 and 2. So this was my story by looking at this expression without anybody trying to solve it. Now this is the expression given. I want you guys to create your story out of it. Let's see who's good at storytelling. Ved?
I said I raised my hand by mistake.
Okay. Kian?
One story could be I had 6 apples. I ate 2, and then I split the rest with 18 of my friends. With my 17 other friends.
Okay.
How many apples will each person get?
Okay, let's see what Anahita says.
So, I was inviting friends to a party. I can't see the screen.
Disconnect and join.
Wait, that's
Can you see it now? Okay. Yeah, Mandeep.
so are we making the old story?
No, so tell, like the way I explained this one. Divide the sum of 8 and 6 by the difference of 9 and 2. I want something like that to be narrated for this one.
Okay. So I had 6 supercars. I had 2 supercars, and a few months later I bought 4 more, and then my sister took 2 of them because she needed them. And so now, how many cars do I have?
Okay, let's see what Sinara says.
I have 8 plus 6 people in my birthday party. Then 9 minus 2 people left. How many people do I have in my party right now?
Okay, let's go back to Anahita.
Sir, I was inviting 4 friends to a party. I also had to invite 2 of my siblings, but then 2 of my friends were on vacation. I had 18 chocolates. How many chocolates should I give to each person at the party?
Okay, Rians.
Sir, I can't see your screen.
I'm sorry?
I can't see your screen.
The solution to that is disconnect and join back. Yaditi.
So I have to make up my own order of operation.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
I made an equation on my diary.
Uh-huh.
What is the answer of that equation?
Okay. Kian. You answered it already.
One I can do is 8 is I had 8 muffins. I bought 6 more for a party, but then and I originally had to split it against 9 people, but 2 of them left early because they needed to go somewhere. So and I need to split the cupcakes evenly. How many cupcakes will you?
Okay. Sivakeswa, you have not told anything. Guys, who have answered, don't go on repeating. Everybody else should get chance as well. Mandeep, you have to be on mute. Mandeep, be on mute, beta. Okay. Let's go to Nova. Let's see what is Nova's story. Yes, no, go ahead.
I raised my hand by accident.
Oh, okay. How about Lakshmi?
Sure. So this is my story. I had 8 cupcakes.
It's not 8, it's 18. 1 8.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Go ahead. Lakshmi, you can continue, but I just corrected the number, that's it. Yeah.
No, I got my story wrong.
Oh, okay, okay. All right. Yeah, wait, go ahead.
I had two people last week at my house, and the next week I had 4 people. But then 2 of the people went back home, and then I had 18 cupcakes, and I had to give them equally to every single person.
Very nice. Anyone in the classroom, you guys are falling asleep.
I don't know.
You don't know? Nate? What is that? This one. Virat, tell me some story. Go ahead, Rahana. Yeah.
I had 14 chocolates, but I gave 7 chocolates to some of. I gave 2 chocolates to each of my 7 friends.
Okay. So, okay. Now let me put a very simplified version of it, okay? So that we can go to the next problem. We don't have to get answer from each one of you. So here is the thing, okay? When you look at this, simply it says 18 is to be divided among whatever comes out of this. 18 is to be divided by whatever comes out of this. Now it is up to us. How do we build our own story? We can say, I have 18 apples that is to be divided among this many people. Or you can say, I had 6 friends or 2 friends invited for the party, and then I invited 4 more, but 2 did not turn up. Out of all the people invited, 2 did not turn up. So whatever is the total attendance in the party, 16 cupcakes were divided equally among them. Or you can say, divide 18 by the sum of 2 and 4, the difference between, divide 18 by the difference between sum of 2 and 4 and 2. Divide 18 between sum of 2 and 4, divide 18 between the difference of sum of 2 and 4 and 2. Any which way is okay. So you can look at how you are going to do the calculation and then you stitch your story accordingly. Yep, yeah, Jans. Can you see it okay now?
Yeah, for my story, I had 6 people over at my house
Mm-hmm.
for a meeting.
Uh-huh.
And I made 18 pieces of cake, but 2 people left. How much cake do I have to split?
Okay. Now let me teach you guys something. Okay. Let's leave this for now. Okay. So we looked at what is, if you have a story, how do you calculate based on the story? If you have the calculation given, how do you convert that into expression as story? Rudraksh here, but can you, for God's sake, keep that wrapper away from you? That wrapper is your enemy. I'm telling you. Because it's not letting you study. You are here with me for 1 hour to study something, and you are spending your whole energy on a wrapper, and then when I ask you a question, you'll say, I don't understand. Tell me, do I look like a magician? Do I have a magic wand with me anywhere? In my pocket, inside my t-shirt, anywhere? No, right? So, if anybody assumes that I will do some magic and you guys will learn it magically, trust me, you are wrong. I'm a very simple, very unintelligent person. I have no magic for teaching you guys anything. Unless you pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay? I want you guys to participate with me. I am less intelligent, but I'm wanting you guys to become more intelligent. And that comes with practice. Okay? I have lost all my chances of becoming more intelligent. It's done. But I can certainly make you guys learn and practice so that you become much more intelligent than what I am. Okay? Alright, let's move on. Everybody hands down. Now, so I said I'm less intelligent. Why? Because I evaluated myself and I found that okay, I don't have any supernatural powers. I'm just a normal human being. Okay? So I evaluated myself and that is how I'm making a statement. Right? So when I say we have a test, we have exam tomorrow, what we are doing? We are evaluating something. Okay? So similarly in the expression also you will have a situation like this. Somebody says x plus 6. Now when you look at x plus 6, you know what is 6, but what is x plus 6?
So my dad told me what is evaluating, but I just forgot.
It's okay. If you forgot, then you don't really have to share that. Because that is not adding any value. Now we'll focus on this one. Okay, so when you say evaluate, now let's say in this class, how many people we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kids, 6 people, not 6 kids. I'm not a kid anymore. So we have 6 people in the class. And we have some number of people on the screen also. So, is this number fixed? No, it can keep on changing, right? Today we have 6 kids in the classroom. Tomorrow it might become 5. Day after tomorrow it might become 7 also, right? So there's something that keeps on changing. So when I evaluate the number of kids in the classroom today, I will say, okay, today I have 5 kids. Okay, 5 kids. So today the total number of people in the class is 6. I am always there in the class, right? Teacher has to be there, otherwise there is no class. So today we have this many. Tomorrow, let's say 2 more kids come. Yeah.
So like totally now we have 7 people.
No, 6.
So we are the student and person 7.
Yeah, no, so you are 5 and me 6. Okay. So, all the kids from the next class who have started joining, we have 3 more minutes before we end this class, okay? So, what I'm saying is, your value for something that is not known can keep on changing. And when you try to evaluate that, okay, today let's say this represents the number of people in the classroom. Okay, I'm not counting the kids online. Let's say this is the expression or equation that represents the number of people we have in the classroom. What we have today, we have 5 kids and the teacher, total 6. Tomorrow, let's say we have 2 more kids coming here. So then number of kids will become 7. Total number of people will be 8. Let's say day after tomorrow, if we have a class, 2 kids did not turn up because they went for having some fun with parents. So then we had only 6 people, 6 kids, 6 plus 1, total number of people in the class is 7. So what we are doing is, we are evaluating different values we are evaluating the total value for different values for the x. That is called evaluating something. So if you have an expression, say okay, x squared plus 9, let's say. Evaluate this for x equal to 3. What does it mean? You will plug in 3 in place of x and that's it. So in place of x you will put a 3, so this becomes 3 squared plus 9. That is what is called evaluation. Meaning you have any expression given and you have some unknowns. When you get the value for the unknown, you plug in that value and that is what is called evaluating an expression for that value. Okay? Is that making sense or little loaded?
It's making sense.
Making sense?
Yeah, now it's making sense.
Everybody is ready to run? Yes, Sanvi. You had a question? Okay. All right. So then it's almost time for everybody. Go have fun and wait for the assignment.